Power no longer roars. It arrives in silence. What happens when the most aggressive off-road icon abandons gasoline forever? Tonight, we witness the moment where brute force meets the future. For decades, the Hummer stood as a symbol of excess raw power, military DNA, and unapologetic dominance. Born from the battlefield, it ruled the streets with fuel-hungry confidence. But the world changed. Energy became strategy, silence became strength, and the old Hummer had to either evolve or disappear. This is not a revival. This is a reinvention. The GMC Hummer EV3X, a supertruck engineered not to survive the future, but to define it. The design doesn't apologize. Every sharp edge speaks authority. Every surface is engineered to intimidate without making a sound. Compared to its ancestors, this Hummer doesn't look heavy. It looks inevitable. At its core, the Hummer EV3X is powered by GM's Ultium platform, not just a battery system, but a modular electric architecture. Torque is delivered instantly. Traction is calculated digitally. Old problems, weight, inefficiency, mechanical delay, are replaced by precision, software, and raw electric force. This isn't driving, it's commanding energy. Step inside, and the brutality disappears. The cabin feels more like a control room than a truck. Screens replace gauges. Software replaces levers. Luxury here isn't softness, it's confidence, clarity, and total control. The Hummer EV3X doesn't just compete with trucks. It challenges the definition of performance itself. In a market dominated by Tesla, Rivian, and Ford Lightning, Hummer chooses a different lane, not efficiency first, but dominance without guilt. This is electric power without compromise. The Hummer EV3X is not the end of gasoline, but it is proof that the era of excuses is over. Power no longer needs pollution, strength no longer needs noise, and the future has already arrived quietly. Is the GMC Hummer EV3X the ultimate electric statement, or just the beginning of something bigger? Tell us what you think, and subscribe to Carsnouva for cinematic stories of the machines shaping tomorrow.